Kwikset presents How to Rekey Your Padlock? SmartKey is a technology that allows you to rekey multiple padlocks to a single key while improving security. SmartKey has patented side-locking bar technology that replaces traditional pin and tumbler design. What tools are needed? 1. Current key. 2. SmartKey tool. 3. New key. First, insert the current key and turn 90 degrees to unlock. Open the shackle and rotate 180 degrees. Insert the SmartKey tool fully and firmly into the hole. You may feel the tool click inside the padlock. Remove the SmartKey tool and the current key. Make sure new key is fully inserted into lock. Once the key is fully inserted, close the shackle. The key will automatically rotate back to home position and remove it. Done. It's that easy. You've just rekeyed your padlock to use the new key, and the old key will no longer work. Available for these models. Use SmartKey's 3-step process to rekey the padlock to your current Kwikset house key or additional padlocks. Kwikset, security made convenient.